He's moving his tail.
What are you holding?
His tail.
Yeah, she was like 3.5 months old.
What is this?
Snake.
Mama, can we keep him for a couple
Do you
of days?
like snakes?
Mom,
Yeah.
can we keep him for a couple of days? Mama?
No, he might die, baby.
No, he won't. Just put him in here. Put him in here, Mama. I want him to be safe.
Okay.
I don't want a bird to get him. Oh, he's just a baby.
He is just a baby snake.
Aww. He's just a baby snake.
Oh, he should have still at me. He's such a baby. Mama, put him in this cage. Put him in this cage.
Hey,
Put him in the cage, Mama. Mama, put him in here. Put him in here, Mama. Mama, just put him in here. I don't want a bird to get him. What? There's a snake.
Get out.
Oh, he's not gonna get out.
Yeah.
We don't want him to.
Yeah, you will never get lost. I never seen a